Today we're going to talk about consonant H. So like the H in the English word hour, the the Spanish H is always silent. All right, so that's the rule that we need to remember, that H is always silent. So let's go through some examples here.
Listen and repeat.
Hora,
Hora. So H is silent.
hola,
Hola.
ay,
I.
Horrible,
Horrible.
horrible,
This is the trilling R because you have two R's together. So um, it's horrible, horrible.
hospital,
Hospital,
hermana,
hermana.
Listen and repeat.
Speakers from Spain.
hora,
Hora,
hola,
hola.
ay,
Ay,
horrible,
horrible.
hospital,
Hospital,
hermana,
hermana.
Listen and repeat.
hora,
Hora,
hola,
hola.
ay,
Ay,
horrible,
horrible.
hospital,
Hospital. And the last one,
hermana.
hermana. So basically, H is silent, and it's always silent. Okay, so in the next video, we'll be looking at diphthong UI. So until then, see you next time.